Ever eye a sketchy puddle on a hike and wonder if it's worth the risk? This water purifier is a 7.8-ounce gadget that filters viruses, bacteria, metals, and microplastics fast. Double press to start, it backwashes itself. Would you pay $349 for it outdoors? That book photo camping vibe? This lantern helps, but it's also practical. Lavork's 7-in-1 gives bright floodlight, focused spotlight, mosquito lamp, air pump, fan, and Bluetooth speaker. A 5,000 milliamp hour battery runs up to 100 hours. Furrion E-Rove is like a mini fridge for the outdoors. One charge can keep things cold for about 5 days. You can power it from a 12-volt socket or a solar panel. Camping doesn't mean you have to stink. The Nemo Helio is a portable pressure shower you pump with your foot. It comes in 11 liters or 22 liters. The black tank warms in sun and costs about $90. Want comfy sleep anywhere? Zempire has a self-inflating top and an air base, so you skip the stretcher. It feels soft and sits 16.5 inches up and uses a fast valve. It's warm, comes in single or twin, and costs $370. King's Lithium Rechargeable Lantern gives you light whenever you need it. It runs up to 50 hours on low with high, medium, and low settings. Use white light for chores or amber to keep bugs away. There's an amber strobe for emergencies. The Kelty Shelter is a pick if you camp right next to your car. It fits 6 and has an adjustable height, about 80 to 108 inches. It's waterproof, plus it packs to 11.5 pounds. Setup is simple. Price, $280. Meet the Lawn Chariot, shipping this March. It's a compact cart that hauls your stuff and then flips into a comfy seat with shade and storage. 600D fabric keeps it tough with rod holder, cooler, and cup holders. Price, only $250. The Cedar Mesa Cot is a foldable camping cot made for comfy sleep outside. It has a sturdy aluminum frame that keeps the fabric tight so you don't sag. It's easy to set up with a lever lock system, and it folds fast into a small briefcase-like pack. It's 80 by 31 by 16 inches open, weighs 16 pounds, and holds 400 pounds. Ever haul the water jug that drips everywhere? It's the worst! The Red Camp water container keeps water clean and your gear dry. It's food-grade, BPA-free plastic, so there's no weird taste. Choose 2 to 8 gallons. A leak-proof spigot with seals controls the flow, and 2 openings make filling, cleaning, and pouring.